Let's move on towards our next paragraph of Clayden book for a nasty taste. Okay, now what does it mean by the word nasty? Okay, nasty. The meaning of the word nasty is that it is highly unpleasant. Okay, very unpleasant. Very unpleasant taste is called as nasty taste. Okay, so for a nasty taste, we should mention bittering agents. Okay, we should mention bittering agents put into dangerous household substances. Now in our households, in our house, there is toilet cleaner, right? There is toilet cleaner, there is floor cleaner. Okay, floor cleaner is also there. Okay, now the thing is that some small children can accidentally swallow this. Small children can accidentally swallow these substances. So in order to avoid that, mix we mix a bittering agent. We mix a bittering agent to dangerous substances. Okay, we mix bittering agents to dangerous substances like toilet cleaner. Okay, to stop children from drinking them by accident. So to stop the children drinking them by accident, we put bittering agents into the toilet cleaners in our home. In floor cleaner also it is put. Okay, because floor cleaner is also poisonous. Okay, floor cleaner is also poisonous. So if we mix if we mix a bittering agent in it, if we mix a bittering agent, what will happen? The bittering agent's taste is very nasty, very bad taste. Okay, the taste of bittering agent is very unpleasant. Okay, it is a nasty taste, it is very unpleasant taste. So as soon as a child swallows it, as soon as a child swallows it as soon as a child swallows it, they will vomit. They will vomit. Okay, they will vomit because of the extremely bitter taste. Because of the extremely bitter taste, the children will vomit after swallowing the dangerous substance. So nasty taste substance, that is bittering agent, are put into dangerous household substances like toilet cleaner to stop children drinking them by accident. Okay, now how does this look like? Okay, so the compound looks something like this. It is a salt. Okay, it is a salt. This is the positively charged ion, this is the positively charged ion, and this is the negatively charged ion. Okay, so the bittering agent is called as bitrex. The bittering agent is called as bitrex, bitrex, bitrex. Okay, and its common name is denatonium benzoate. Okay, what is the common name of this bittering agent? Denatonium benzoate. Denatonium. Okay, denatonium denatonium benzoate. Okay, this is the common name of this substance. Okay, and it is marked as bitrex. It is marked as bitrex. It is marked as bitrex means in the bottle of on the bottle of toilet cleaner, on the bottle of toilet cleaner, this is written that it is bitrex protected. It is bitrex protected. This fact is written on the bottles of toilet cleaners. And what is that compound? That compound is denatonium benzoate. This is the name of the compound, common name of the compound. It is called as bitrex also in common language. Okay, and this is the positively charged ion and this is the negatively charged ion present in it, and it is a salt. It is a kind of salt. It is a type of salt. Okay, crystalline salt. Okay, now there is one mistake in Clayden's book. The mistake is that this particular name which has been given, this IUPAC name which has been given, okay, so the IUPAC name which has been given in Clayden's book, this particular IUPAC name, which has been given in Clayden's book, this is wrong. This is wrong IUPAC name. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. Okay, this name which has been written in the Clayden's book, this IUPAC name has been written in second edition of Clayden book. I am talking about second edition of Clayden book. So this IUPAC name which has been written, this particular name is wrong. Okay, what is the correct name? You can search the internet for correct IUPAC name. For correct IUPAC name, you can search the internet. Okay, but this name is wrong. This name starting from here and ending at here. This name starting from here and ending here. This name is wrong. This IUPAC name is given wrongly in Clayden's book. This common name dinatonium benzoate, this is correct. This is correct. Dinatonium benzoate, okay, and it is also called as Bitrex, okay, Bitrex. Now, how do the bottles mark this? Okay, so you can have a look over here. It is written Bitrex protected. It has been written Bitrex protected. This is toilet cleaner bottle. Okay, this is the bottle of toilet cleaner. This is the bottle of toilet cleaner, and on that bottle of toilet cleaner, if we magnify this portion, if we magnify this particular portion, what will happen? If we magnify this, it is written that it is Bitrex protected. Okay, it is written that it is Bitrex protected. It means that Bitrex has been put. It means that Bitrex. It means that Bitrex has been put in the toilet cleaner to protect it, to protect the animals and children. Okay, in order to protect animals and children from drinking this, in order to protect animals, that is pet animals. Animals means pets. What does it mean by which kind of animals do they protect? They protect pet animals. Okay, so in order to protect the pet animals or children from drinking the toilet cleaner, accidentally. Okay, in order to protect the animals and children from drinking the toilet cleaner accidentally. Okay, so in order to prevent them from drinking it accidentally, in order to prevent them from drinking it accidentally, Bitrex is put in it. Bitrex is put in it, and it is the bitterest known substance. Bitrex is the bitterest known substance on earth. Okay, it is the bitterest known substance. Bitterest known substance on earth. Okay, bitterest known substance on earth. Bitterest known substance on earth, and its common name is Bitrex. Or you can also call it dinatonium benzoate. And there are more 4-5 common names. Okay, there are more 4 to 5 common names, but no need to know them. Dinatonium benzoate and Bitrex, knowing this much is sufficient. Dinatonium benzoate and Bitrex, knowing this much is sufficient, and no need to remember the IUPAC name. But keep this thing in mind that the IUPAC name given over here, the IUPAC name which the book has given over here, this IUPAC name is wrong. This IUPAC name which the book has given over here in second edition of Clayden book, this particular IUPAC name is wrong. Okay, you can search the internet for correct IUPAC name. Okay, so this is the thing. Now notice that this complex organic compound is actually a salt. Okay, so this complex organic compound is actually a salt. This complex organic compound is actually a salt. Okay, this thing you must remember. Okay, this complex organic compound is actually a salt. It has positively charged nitrogen and negatively charged oxygen atoms. So the nitrogen is positively charged. You can have a look. Nitrogen is clearly positively charged and oxygen is negatively charged. Okay, and the octet is being satisfied. Octet of nitrogen. Okay, octet of nitrogen is also being satisfied, and octet of oxygen is also being satisfied. The octet of nitrogen and octet of oxygen. Okay, octet of nitrogen and octet of oxygen, both of them are being satisfied. Okay, in this ion also and in this ion also. Okay, so this complex organic compound is actually a salt. Okay, it has positively charged nitrogen and negatively charged oxygen atoms, and because of being a salt, okay, because of being a salt, polar salt, because of being a polar salt, okay, it has positive and negative poles. So because of being a polar salt, it is soluble in water. Because of being a polar salt, it is soluble in water, because ionic compounds are usually soluble. It is ionic compound. Okay, it is ionic compound. It is an ionic compound, and ionic compounds are usually soluble in water. Not all the ionic compounds, but most of the ionic compounds are soluble in water. Okay, so this makes it soluble in water. That is this particular fact that it has positively charged nitrogen and negatively charged oxygen. This particular fact that it is ionic and it is a salt, this makes it soluble in water. Okay, So this is the thing. Thank you very much. We have successfully covered everything. Okay, so this is the structure. This is how a toilet cleaner looks like. Okay, so I told you everything. Thank you very much.